Bill Director Delegate, I may humble present to you these applicants after having undergone and completed their mandatory orientation seminar given here. At Barangay Alax, Tangkintin, Pangasinan. Given by the Philippine Eagles Institute of Leadership, conducted here. Before and on behalf of the Philippine Eagles Institute of Leadership, I may now highly recommend it to you, these applicants, and they are now ready for induction.
Everybody rise.
Please rise, everybody.
Applicants, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, Eagle, state your name.
I, Eagle,
Bona fide Eagle member of State Your Club. Club duly affiliated to the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, Incorporated, subscribing to the Eagles Constitution and bylaws and believing in its capabilities as the first Philippine-born socio-civic organization do hereby solemnly make oath that I shall defend and uphold at all times said Constitution and Magna Carta. And I shall consciously uphold at all times the Eagles delicadeza and moral code of ethics as the ultimate measure of my conduct and judgment relative to my dealings with the national fraternity, with my region, with my club, and with my fellow